Hello students, our today's topic is grouping of capacitors. Students, capacitors are grouped when a desired value of capacitance is required in the circuit. Capacitors may be grouped by two ways. These are number one, capacitors grouped in series. In series combination, the value of total capacitance is less than the value of capacitance due to an individual capacitor. In this manner, the capacitors are joined end to end. This is the diagram of series combination of capacitors. These are three capacitors of capacitance C1, C2 and C3. These are their plates. The plates of capacitor C1 are AB. Plates of capacitor C2 are CD. And plates of capacitor C3 are EF. The one end of this combination, end A, is joined with the source of an EMF, and the other end of this combination is earth. एक एंड को हम EMF के सोर्स से कनेक्ट कर देते हैं और दूसरे एंड को अर्थ से कनेक्ट कर देते हैं. अब देखिए यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि ऑल द कैपेसिटर्स हैव डिफरेंट वैल्यू ऑफ कैपेसिटेंसेस across their plates. The value of potential across the plates of capacitor C1 is V1. The value of potential across the plates of capacitor C2 is V2, and the value of potential across the plates of capacitor C3 is V3. ठीक है, ये इस तरीके से जब कैपेसिटर्स को हम कंबाइन करते हैं सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में, तो हर एक कैपेसिटर की प्लेट्स के बीच में पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू क्या होती है, डिफरेंट होती है, विच इज गिवन बाय V1, V2, V3. देन if we calculate the total value of potential in the circuit, it is given by V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. In this combination of capacitors, the amount of charge on each capacitor is same. The plates of the capacitor will acquire charge in this manner. Plate A acquire positive charge, and the left side of plate B will acquire negative charge, and right side acquire positive charge. In the same manner, the plate C acquire positive charge, and plate D, left face of plate D acquire negative charge, and right face will acquire positive charge. The E plate of capacitor C3 will acquire positive charge, and left face of plate F will acquire negative charge and the positive charge on plate F will go to the ground, because this plate is earth with the ground. Since amount of charge on each capacitor is same, therefore the value of V1, V2 and V3 we can find out with the relation V equal to Q upon C. ठीक है? According this relation, the value of V1 is V1 equal to Q upon C1, V2 equal to Q upon C2, V3 equal to Q upon C3. Now we place the value of V1, V2, V3 in equation 1. We place the value of V1, V2, V3 in equation 1. Then equation 1 will become V equal to Q upon C1, Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3. Then in the next step, 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Since V is equal to also Q upon C, then we place the value of V in our next equation. The equation will become V equal to Q upon C equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Q will cancel. The equation will become 1 upon C equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. This is the expression for equivalent capacitance when capacitors are joined in series combination. That is, according to this equation, we can define that the reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equal to the reciprocals of each capacitors is equal to the sum of reciprocals of each capacitors in this combination. Now we will discuss parallel combination. Parallel combination. In parallel combination, suppose there are three capacitors. There are three capacitors C1, C2 and C3. In this combination, one plate from every capacitor is connected to a common point. C1, C2 and C3. सारे कैपेसिटर्स की एक प्लेट को एक कॉमन पॉइंट ए पर ज्वाइन कर दिया गया है और दूसरी प्लेट को कॉमन पॉइंट बी पर ज्वाइन कर दिया गया है और बी पॉइंट को जहां पर कॉमन पॉइंट था बी पॉइंट को ज्वाइन कर दिया गया किससे अर्थ से इसको अर्थिंग कर दी गई है। अब यहां पर जब इसको पॉइंट ए वाला ये जो ए पॉइंट है इसको हम ईएमएफ सोर्स से पॉजिटिव चार्ज प्रोवाइड करते हैं, तो ये प्लेट्स इस तरीके से चार्ज हो जाएंगी। अब देखिए, इन दिस कॉम्बिनेशन the potential difference, the value of potential across each registers is same, that is the entire combination have value of potential is equal to V, but due to different capacitances of the charges, each capacitor draw different charges from the source of EMF, and the total charge in the circuit is given by Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Now we will find the value of Q1, Q2, Q3. According to the relation Q equal to CV, we have value of Q1 equal to C1V, Q2 equal to C2V and Q3 equal to C3V. ठीक है, these are the value of Q1, Q2 and Q3. Now we will place these values of Q1, Q2, Q3 in equation 1, which give the total amount of charge. Then the total amount of charge in the circuit is given by the value of Q1 is C1V, Q2 C2V and Q3 C3V. Then C1 plus C2 plus C3. Since Q equal to also CV, then we have CV equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. V in this equation will cancel out and the equation will become C equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is the value of equivalent resistance when capacitors are connected in parallel combination. That is, we can define as the equivalent capacitance of capacitors in parallel combination is equal to the sum of each capacitors in the combination. Okay, thank you.